Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're counting down the top 5 best night vision dash cams. Whether you're driving at night through low light conditions or simply want peace of mind when your car is parked, these dash cams have got you covered. Let's dive right in. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Lingdu Night Vision Dash Cam. The Lingdu Night Vision Dash Cam combines advanced features like 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity, GPS tracking, voice control, and 24-hour parking surveillance to offer a comprehensive vehicle monitoring solution. This article explores the advantages and potential drawbacks of this dash cam to help you decide if it meets your needs. Pros: 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity. The dash cam uses 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, which provides a faster and more stable connection to your smartphone compared to 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. This allows for quicker and more reliable access to videos and pictures via the Lingdu app without needing to remove the TF card. GPS tracking. The GPS functionality is a significant advantage for those who need detailed information about their driving routes. It records essential data such as speed, position, and coordinates, which can be valuable for reviewing travel routes or providing evidence in case of an incident. Voice control. The voice control feature adds convenience by allowing hands-free operation. Commands like take picture or open recording enable you to control the dash cam without distractions, enhancing safety and usability while driving. 24-hour parking surveillance. The dash cam provides continuous monitoring even when the vehicle is parked. The built-in G sensor detects sudden movements or collisions and starts recording automatically, capturing any incidents while you're away. The voice alert notification feature is useful for keeping you informed about important events. Easy video access. With the ability to view and download footage directly to your smartphone, you can easily access your recordings without having to remove the TF card or connect the camera to a computer. Cons: potential over-reliance on G-Sensor. The G-Sensor's automatic recording feature is beneficial but might occasionally trigger recording for non-critical events, such as minor vibrations or movements. This could lead to unnecessary footage being saved, potentially consuming more storage space. The Lingdu Night Vision Dash Cam offers a robust set of features, including advanced Wi-Fi connectivity, GPS tracking, voice control, and 24-hour parking surveillance. Its strengths lie in its ability to provide detailed driving information, hands-free operation, and continuous monitoring. However, the limited Wi-Fi range, lack of internet support, and potential setup requirements for parking surveillance may be considerations for potential users. Overall, this dash cam is a solid choice for those seeking comprehensive vehicle monitoring with modern technological conveniences. Coming in at number 4, we have the DPI Mini Pro Night Vision Dash Cam. The DPI Mini Pro Night Vision Dash Cam combines advanced features like a rotatable lens, compact design, loop recording, emergency lock, and night vision capabilities to offer a comprehensive vehicle recording solution. Here's a detailed look at its pros and cons to help you evaluate whether it suits your needs. Pros. Rotatable lens. The 330-degree rotatable lens is a standout feature, offering flexibility to record a wide range of views. It allows you to capture both the road ahead and interior shots, such as selfies or scenes inside the car, enhancing its versatility. Compact design. The mini body design is perfect for discreet installation. It can be mounted in a hidden location without obstructing your field of vision, which is ideal for maintaining a clean and unobtrusive dashboard. Loop recording. This feature ensures that you never run out of storage space. The dash cam automatically starts overwriting the oldest footage once the SD card is full, which simplifies the management of video files and ensures continuous recording. Emergency lock. The emergency lock function, triggered by the built-in gravity sensor, automatically saves footage of sudden braking or collisions. This feature is invaluable for protecting critical evidence in case of accidents, and it stores the footage in a separate space to prevent accidental deletion. Night vision. The inclusion of 5 HD optical lenses and a large f2.0 aperture significantly enhances low light performance. This allows the dash cam to capture clear and detailed footage even in dark or poorly lit environments, improving overall visibility and recording quality at night. Cons. Potential night vision limitations. Despite the advanced night vision capabilities, Extreme low light conditions or high contrast environments might still pose challenges. The effectiveness of the night vision could vary depending on the specific driving conditions and lighting. The DD-PAI Mini Pro Night Vision Dashcam offers a range of impressive features, including a rotatable lens, compact design, loop recording, emergency lock, and strong night vision capabilities. Its strengths lie in its flexibility, discreet installation, and reliable emergency recording. However, potential drawbacks include limitations in lens rotation, possible sensitivity issues with the emergency lock, and potential challenges with night vision in extreme conditions. At number 3, the Osdome M300S Night Vision Dashcam. The Osdome M300S Night Vision Dashcam offers a comprehensive set of features designed to provide high-definition video recording, advanced connectivity, and enhanced night vision. With its 4K front and rear cameras, built-in Wi-Fi and GPS, and various functional features, this dashcam aims to deliver a robust and user-friendly driving experience. Here's a detailed look at its pros and cons. Pros: A. High-definition recording. The 4K front and FHD 1080p rear cameras deliver exceptional video clarity, making it easier to read license plates and road signs. This high resolution ensures that critical details are captured clearly. Advanced connectivity. The built-in 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi enables high-speed data transfer and real-time video viewing through the Osdome app. This feature adds convenience by allowing users to manage their recordings from their smartphones without removing the SD card. Built-in GPS functionality records detailed driving data, including route and speed information, which can be reviewed later using the Osdome GPS player. This is valuable for tracking driving behavior and providing evidence in case of incidents. Voice control. The voice control feature enhances safety by allowing drivers to operate the dashcam without taking their hands off the wheel. Commands such as take picture and lock the video improve usability and convenience. Wide angle and night vision. The 170-deg wide-angle lens captures a broad view of the road, while the f1.8 aperture ensures clear recording even in low-light conditions. These features improve visibility and help in capturing more comprehensive footage of the driving environment. Cons: limited Wi-Fi range. The 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi operates within a limited range of about 9 feet, which might be restrictive if users need to manage recordings from a greater distance. The Osdome M300S Night Vision Dashcam offers a robust set of features that cater to both everyday and advanced recording needs. Its high-definition video quality, built-in GPS and Wi-Fi, and voice control functionality make it a compelling choice for those seeking comprehensive vehicle surveillance. In the second spot, we have the Kawa D6 Night Vision Dashcam. The Kawa D6 Night Vision Dashcam is designed to offer high-quality recording with advanced features such as voice control, high resolution, and enhanced night vision. This article explores the pros and cons of the Kawa D6 to help you determine if it's the right choice for your vehicle. Pros: hands-free voice control. The Kawa D6 offers intelligent voice commands for managing recordings and photos, which enhances safety by allowing drivers to keep their hands on the wheel. Commands such as take photo, record, and lock video streamline operation and make it easy to capture important moments on the road. High resolution. With a resolution of 2K 1440p and 4MP, the dashcam delivers crisp, clear images and videos. This high-quality resolution is particularly useful for capturing detailed road conditions and license plate information, which can be crucial in the event of an incident. Color Starlight Night Vision. The advanced night vision capabilities, including a large aperture lens and high-performance sensor, ensure that the dashcam performs well in low-light conditions. This feature improves overall scene clarity and enhances visibility of license plates even in dim lighting. Emergency recording. The dashcam automatically records and locks footage in the event of a collision, saving it in a separate folder to prevent overwriting. This ensures that critical evidence is preserved and readily available for review. Enhanced detail extraction. The use of a high-performance sensor helps in extracting finer details from the video, which is beneficial for reviewing footage and identifying key details such as road signs and vehicle registration numbers. Cons: limited night vision range. While the night vision is enhanced, the effectiveness might still be limited by extreme low light conditions or the presence of bright lights from other vehicles, which could impact overall visibility. The Kawa D6 Night Vision Dashcam stands out with its hands-free voice control, high-resolution recording, and advanced night vision capabilities. Its ability to automatically record and lock emergency footage adds a layer of security, ensuring that critical evidence is preserved. However, limitations in voice command accuracy, potential storage concerns, and the need for careful installation are factors to consider. Overall, the Kawa D6 offers a robust set of features for users seeking high-quality video recording and enhanced nighttime visibility. And finally, at number 1, we have the Vantrue N5 Night Vision Dashcam. The Vantrue N5 Night Vision Dashcam is designed to provide comprehensive coverage and enhanced nighttime visibility for drivers. With features like 24/7 buffered parking mode, 360-degree wide-angle recording, and advanced night vision, this dashcam aims to offer a high level of safety and convenience. Here's a detailed look at the pros and cons of the Vantrue N5. Pros. Comprehensive 360-degree coverage. The Vantrue N5 features 4 lenses that provide a full 360-degree view, ensuring that every angle around your vehicle is recorded. This is particularly beneficial for capturing all aspects of an incident and ensuring comprehensive safety. Enhanced night vision. Equipped with Sony Starvis 2 technology, the dashcam offers superior night vision performance. This ensures clear and detailed footage even in low light conditions, making it ideal for night driving in dark environments. 24/7 buffered parking mode. The buffered parking mode provides continuous monitoring of your vehicle, detecting motion and automatically recording incidents. This feature is crucial for capturing hit-and-run accidents or other incidents that occur while your vehicle is parked. Smart Voice Control. Hands-free operation through Smart Voice Control enhances safety by allowing drivers to manage the dashcam without taking their hands off the wheel. This adds convenience and reduces distractions while driving. Extended warranty. The 18-month warranty provides peace of mind, ensuring that any potential issues with the dashcam are covered and that you have access to reliable customer support. Cons. Voice control limitations. While voice control adds convenience, it may not always function perfectly in noisy environments or may have limitations in recognizing commands. This could occasionally require manual intervention. The Vantrue N5 Night Vision Dashcam offers a range of advanced features designed to enhance driving safety and provide comprehensive coverage. Its 360-degree wide-angle recording, enhanced night vision, and smart voice control are significant advantages for users seeking detailed and reliable footage.